Now we are going to talk about Dima's testimony. Dima has traveled from Minsk to Brussels. Brussels is in the north of Belgium. Belgium is in the west of Europe. It is east of France. It has borders with France, Netherlands and Germany. It is on the Baltic coast.
Minsk is in the middle of Europe, is in the middle of Belarus, and Belarus is in the east of Europe. Belarus is in the west of Russia, and it has borders with Lithuania, Poland, Ukraine, and Russia. And now we are going to do the similarities and differences.
In Belgium, the political system is a democracy, but in Belarus is the republic. Belgium is hotter than Belarus, and both in summer have the similar temperature.
Whereas in Belarus the traditional food is the drinking, in Belgium is the mullet spirits.
Whereas in Belgium the sports are football and tennis, in Belarus are tennis and hockey.
Both have three languages. In Belarus speaks Russian, Ukrainian, and Polish, and Belgium speaks Dutch, French, and German.
Belarus is bigger than Minsk, and Belarus has got more population.
And Belgium has better economy than Belarus.